String instruments. The aspect propensity of strings leads us towards the air aspect. If the strings are producing low notes, cello, double bass, electric bass, Indian Surbahar, etc., then your awareness might get drawn towards the bottom of the upper body. Higher notes will naturally affect the chest area more. An ensemble of strings would have a larger impact on your energy field. Obviously, there is an excellent variety of ways of playing stringed instruments, plucking for example, to bring out more or fewer overtones. This needs to be considered along with the fact that there are several effects and various personal inclinations when the very same sound is heard by different people. Nevertheless, the tendency towards the air component is undeniable. In traditional Chinese medicine, strings are suggested for the heart and the fire phase of energy. Originally, the strings would have been silk. Nowadays, nylon or carbon fiber strings may come closest to it.